Chapter 5, Weather, Seasons and Climate. We shall be saying what is weather and season. Weather. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes air becomes cold. So our earth is surrounded by a layer called as atmosphere. So there is a change in this atmospheric air. Sometimes the air become hot and sometimes the air become cold. This change in air is known as weather. So there is any change in the air, so such is known as weather. Weather keeps changing from day to day, sometimes from hour to hour. Season. When weather remains the same for long period. So when weather remains same for long period, we call it as season. We have some months when it is very hot, some months when it is rains heavily, and some months when it is cold and chill. We also have spring and autumn when it is either too hot or too cold. Next, we shall be saying spring. So this is the first season. Begins in February and March are the spring season. So which are the spring season months? February and March. During the spring season, it is either hot or cold. So in the spring season, either it may be hot or either it may be a cold. The days are very pleasant. You'll be having a quite good environment. The trees and plants are full of fresh leaves and colorful flowers in the spring. So during the spring season, you will see evergreen trees with the green leaves, fresh fruits, fresh flowers, and people enjoy going for picnic in spring season. Next, we shall be saying summer season. The summer season begins from April and May. So, which is a month for starting your summer season is nothing but April and May are hot months of the year. So, which are the hot months of the year? April and May. This period is called as summer season. The summer is its hottest and brightest during this summer. So, during the summer season, the environment will be too hot and bright during this time. People like to stay indoors and use fans, coolers, or air conditioners. So the people like to stay inside the homes or they're indoors. They use lots of fans, coolers, and air conditions to keep them cool. And people drink cold water, cool drinks, and ice cream during the month of summer to keep them cool. Means by drinking of cold water, cool drinks, and ice cream, people like to have this such cool drinks or ice cream so that the hotness will reduce. Next, we shall be saying monsoon. So that is nothing but your rainy season. After the hot summer comes the rainy season or a monsoon season. After your summer season, the next starts is your rainy season or a monsoon season. The rainy comes in June, July, and August. So 3 months you'll be having your rainy season. That is nothing but June, July, and August. The cool winds from sea brings the rain clouds. So which brings the rain clouds? That is nothing but the cool winds from the sea. We use raincoats, umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. Yes, the people use raincoats and umbrella to protect from the rain. The rain fills the dry ponds, wells, lakes, and rivers. Yes, when the rain falls, the water droplets will be, will be dropped onto ponds, wells, and lakes and rivers are completely filled by water. This brings water for crops. Yes, if the water is stored during the rainy season in ponds, wells, lakes, and rivers, later it can be used for growing crops for growing crops. The tree and plants look green during the monsoon season. So the trees as well as plants look green during this rainy season. Next, we shall be saying autumn season. So the autumn season is between September and October are the autumn months. So which are the autumn months? September and October. The autumn season follows the rain. Means after your rainy season, is next season which is followed is nothing but your autumn season. Next, This is the shortest season. So which is the shortest season in the seasons is nothing but your autumn season. It is either hot nor cold. Means in this autumn season it will be either, means it will be hot or it will be cold. In many places, the leaves of the trees turn yellow as they dry up and fall during the autumn. So in this autumn season, all the leaves in the tree turn yellow and they dry. Once they turn yellow, they will dry and they'll fall during this autumn season. Next, we shall be saying winter season. So, what is this winter season? Now, the winter season occurs in November, December, and January. So, these 3 months, that is November, December, and January, are the winter months. The air becomes cold and sun is not very bright. So, the atmospheric air condition will in the winter season will be cold and sun is not very bright. People wear woolen clothes. Yeah, people wear woolen clothes in this winter season. They light fires and heaters to keep warm. During winter, it snows in mountains in northern India. Yes, during the winter season, it snows the mountain in northern India. Lakes and ponds freeze. People enjoy being out in sun during winter. So during winter season, people enjoy being out in sun during this winter season. It is not as cold as in other part of India. Next, we shall be saying the different seasons. See, here comes your spring season, which has beautifully of your evergreen trees are filled with evergreen leaves, flowers. When you are moving on to the next of summer, you can see the beautiful picture. When you're next stepping into your autumn season, see the leaves turn into yellow color. Again, they dry and fall down. That is your autumn season. Next winter season, you can see the trees and the branches of the trees is not having a single leaf. It is filled of snow. Next, we shall be saying what is climate. So, climate refers to the weather conditions that place as over a long period. So, it refers to the climatical weather condition of the place over a long period of time covering several years. For instance, the places in mountains have cool climate while places in the plains have hot climate. Means there is a difference. For instance, the place in mountains have a cool climate. The places which are surrounding the mountainous region will be having a cool climate while the place in the plains have a hot climate. The weather of a place may change often, but the climate doesn't change so fast. Means the weather in the place, just now we have seen, the places in the mountains have cool climate, but the places in the plains have hot climate. So the weather may change. The weather may change from place to place, but the climate doesn't change so fast. Means the weather may change fastly. For example, if in the morning there is a too hot, after an hour you'll be seeing the clouds, and after an hour you'll get a rain. Means there is a weather, means weather may change so fast oftenly, but the climate doesn't change so fast. Next, the climate of a place where we live affect many things. The climate of a place where we are living will affect many things. So which are the things? The food we eat, the type of house we live in. Means which are the things that is affected due to the climate of the place where we live in is nothing but first one is food we eat and the type of house we live. Let us recall what we have learned throughout this chapter. Weather is the condition of atmosphere of a particular place at particular time. When weather remains more or less same for few months in a year, it is called as season. There are 5 seasons. First one is spring, summer, the rainy or a monsoon, autumn and winter season. The weather condition that a place has over a long period of time are called as climate of the place. Weather condition that a place has over a long period of time are called the climate of the place.